So what I suggest with my solo clients is that they really focus on building their social support before the move. Don't wait until after the move to start making friends. This is true for everyone, but especially for people who are moving solo, because your family is going to be the other people who are also on the same journey and who get what you're feeling. And it's not always easy to find like-minded people that are really resonate with us. I mean, we have a lot of acquaintances and we know people and have like superficial friendships, but people who we can count on, you know, that's not so easy to find. So it's really important, crucial, I would say, to invest time, energy, and effort in building the social support before the move. This is true for everyone, but especially for solo movers. This kind of counteracts the disadvantage of moving as a couple.